Hello guys, so for today, susubukan naman natin itong Supremo Ultra HD Pocket Camera. So ngayon naka 1080p, 60 frames per second tayo and susubukan natin yung quality ng action camera na to sa video na to. 1080p, 60 frames per second. 1080p, 30 frames per second with EIS stabilization. Walking lang. And that's all muna for this video. And if you have more questions, please leave it down below sa comment section natin. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Bye-bye!